let's continue going. You see, sometimes we have here like a, let's call beta, like, PPC dashboard. I can tell you in Sellerise is not the most advanced PPC dashboard. I was doing this PPC dashboard just basically for myself to see the numbers from like a bird view, like from the top. So this, like, for example, if you run 1,000 campaigns for this product, let's say for the HP, it kind of compress all of them and it gives you like total numbers of impressions, clicks, and everything. So if you want to have like a more efficient PPC dashboard, there's plenty of them on the market. That's why I was not trying to develop a new PPC dashboard to give you all these details. Eventually, we're gonna make more details inside PPC dashboard because I already see some imperfections in other companies that we used to use. Overall, right here, you can go and you can see sponsored brands, display, and sponsored video performance. You can see every your video. Just click on it, look at this, and maybe, as I was saying, as a business owner, you just want to see the performance quickly. You don't want to dig into like heavier Excel files or some huge dashboards. You want to see like top of your information. Okay, how much exactly money we spent on video ads this month, and how much money, how much gross profit we made out of all the video ads inside the company. And then you can just dig a bit deeper into each video campaign that you was running.
Nice.
So that will help you to get these numbers quicker.